350 milligrams of chicken. Tablespoon of Salami. Full triangle cheese. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander. 1 teaspoon of paprika.
Paprika.
Teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of turmeric.
Turmeric.
Tiny bit of pepper. A little tiny bit of pepper. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A little bit of rasahanus.
What is it called again?
Rasahanus.
Okay.
A little tiny bit of salt. Half a cup of olive oil.
Good job.
I said half a teaspoon of baking powder. Blend everything together.
What is it? What are we going to do?
Blend everything together.
Yes.
Now we're going to mix the olives with the chicken. Hold it like hold my finger on it. Hold it. Hold. Looks like holds it like that.
First question. Whose voice is this? Great start. You ski.
Can you stop it?
Strongest one I have.